What the hell is love supposed
Mother
to
pig
feel
and the baby
like?
pig.
What the hell is love? What the hell is love? What the hell is love supposed to feel like? My fairy grandma warned me Cinderella's story only ended in a
Sapot na
bad
yung kuya, oh.
divorce. The prince ain't sleeping when he takes his sleeping beauty to the motel on his snow white horse. So call me a pessimist, but I don't believe in it. Finding a true love's kiss is bullshit. 'Cause I felt sad love, I felt bad love, sometimes happy love, sometimes end up giving up. I felt hurt love, got the wood love. What the hell?
You drink water there, Mama Pig. Wow, sana all. Oh, water more because your baby want to drink. More, Mama Pig. Ano na siya?
Can I go in? I want to go inside to have the many piglets there.
Ano na siya?
I want to have the piglet.
No.
I want to have piglet. Then the monkey see it.
Ano naman?
Piglets. I want to go there.
Dindi sila, oh. Dindi.
Piglet. Who wants me? I'm here. Go build that cage. Why did you build a cage? Why? Mommy, why did you build a cage? They're smelling. Mommy, don't bite me. Nidugo. Hala, nidugo. Yan tutoy, nidugo. Ano man?
Kailam ng paakon.
Nidugo, oh.